Hello, Abington Friends School community. We've had an incredible start to our school year. Through partnership with our faculty, staff, and families, our mitigation procedures have worked and our safety protocols have helped to keep our school community safe through the start of the school year. Teachers, students, faculty have worked together to have a lot of fun and find joy in learning. At this point in time, it's a good time to come together and remember the importance of our safety protocols. For that reason, we've created this video.
We know that the numbers are rising in Pennsylvania, and most of that transmission is happening outside of the school community. We'd ask that you please pay attention when you're away from school to carpooling, social gatherings, and sporting events, because we need you to stay vigilant.
The best way to stay vigilant is to maintain the three critical mitigation measures that we've been talking about through this whole school year. First off, masking is the most critical thing for you that you can do, both indoor and outside. When you're with people who are from outside of your immediate household, you need to be wearing a mask at all times. Social distancing is the next most important thing that you can do, maintaining at least 6 feet of distance between you and anyone who is not a member of your immediate household. And finally, frequent hand washing using either soap or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer.
It's also essential that we are vigilant each morning about actually completing the roofness screening. We've noticed that when asking students whether or not they've done the roofness screening, they've occasionally said, "I'm not sure." And this has been an indication to us that there are times when people are filling out the roofness screening without actually screening their children. So it is absolutely essential that you take your child's temperature every morning and that you actually run through each of the different symptoms with them, having them really check in with their bodies to see if they have any of the symptoms, clicking the symptoms that they do have, and completing the screening each morning prior to coming to school.
It may be that you have questions throughout this process, and that's where communication comes in. Communication is incredibly important. If you have questions because your child's not feeling well, reach out to your division director or Nurse Susan. We'll be able to help you answer those questions to the best of our ability. You may have questions about plans, travel plans, especially with the holidays coming. We want to be able to help you. It's also essential for us to know if someone in your family has been diagnosed with COVID or has shown COVID symptoms. We want us to work together in order to ensure the health and safety of everyone in our community. We're here to support you. We want to say thank you to each and every one of you, and a special thank you to our faculty and staff for allowing this to be such an incredible beginning of the year. It's hard to believe it's already mid-November. Be healthy, stay well, let's work together.